please navigate to your URL for your EMS system. This may be a cloud system provided by Thermal Systems or hosted on your own network. Once at the login screen, please log in with the username and password provided to you by Thermal Systems. Once at the system dashboard, you will be able to see some of the system's important information, such as site name, sensors in alarm, sensors acknowledged, and sensors that are not in alarm, as well as COM status and alarm status, highlighted with the red cross, meaning they are in alarm. These are also displayed at the top right on the dashboard. Please select the View Live Data button, that looks like a small blue square, with a graph at the bottom left. From here we can view all the sensors from this site. By hovering over the name of the sensor, we can see the last time data was recorded, the serial number of the sensor, the signal strength, the battery voltage, and which device group the sensor belongs to. We can also see the alarm status, the live temperature data, and the battery voltage indicator. You can click and drag the sensors to rearrange them in the order that best suits your application. If you click on the blue graph symbol, this will take us to take a look at the sensor data in more detail. From this screen, we can see the historical graph data for the sensor. On the bottom of the screen, there are checkboxes to display the alarm parameters if they are configured. Once checked, a horizontal line will be displayed on the graph, indicating the set high and low point of the alarm threshold. The top left button allows us to set a date of which we want to see data from. For example, we can select a date in January, then from the next drop-down, we can select a period. If we select week, we will be displayed a week worth of data from the date we selected. You can click and drag on the graph to zoom in on the time period of interest. If you click on the Overlay Sensors button, this will allow you to show multiple sensors data on the same graph. Select the zone from which you want sensors from, then click on the sensors you wish to overlay on the left side column. Use the right arrow button to move them over to the right-hand side. The right side column is the sensors that will be overlaid. Once completed, click the blue Overlay button at the bottom. You will now have a graph with multiple sensors data displayed for you to view. The next button is the Reset Graph button. This will reset the graph to display the last 24 hours worth of data, without any other sensors. The next 4 buttons along move backwards and forwards in time on the graph. The Export CSV button will allow you to export temperature data to be opened with Excel. The Export PDF button will allow you to export the graph as an image within a PDF. The View Summary button will open a window that displays the maximum, minimum, spread average, standard deviation, and mean kinetic temperature of the selected time period from the graph. Please continue to the next training video.